no country continues forever to be the darling of other countries. Every country has to make mistakes or take risks which have downsides. You cannot please all of the people all of the time, as Abraham Lincoln wisely told us nearly now several hundred years ago. And as a result, an American president has to have courage and a deep sense about risk-taking. And Abraham Lincoln and Franklin Roosevelt and hopefully Joe Biden will represent the kind of president who sees the absolute necessity for change and the risks associated with that as part and parcel of what they must do to be fully supportive of their country and its interests.